ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Uba polling do ubade menteri ke Sorkar jala ubakmi ikataran arts and culture haga nyutrek unailar arja apsa ulai thu ubak Sorkar Meghalaya kan sathaulat bantai Biang yau durmat Rynïeng jong Syiem Tirot sing ha Indira Gandhi Cultural Center hagari Bangladesh tang shuan ke Sorkar thamai bapura hagani gari ke bamat mentai ke jingsha penyam ba ke jing umslang basharkhai hagini khendiatski bat khendiat teo balalino Kuman chupin kan mahang ni, bau durma jong Syiem Tirot sing yau balatay hakanang ba Dhaka, ula syapan pralusman hakipai bur jong dari Bangladesh, haka hendru turik unailar aja apsaw, haka bakila Wengding baluti na pangru, yaki jingbu jingsat bau ke Indira Gandhi Cultural Center. Kani ke jingja kalapun pangnu yaki pai khasi na ke jela Meghalaya, kumjuru yaki Sorkar Meghalaya, bat yaki Sorkar India ke bala shimkhia, bat ki bala trishtam banyok penyang yau durma jong Syiem ke himanong klaw, haka khandru turik rumpang arja apsaw.
It will be a much grander, much bigger bust, and we will do it at the appropriate of time once things normalize in that country. Well, the situation is still unfolding. The last word has not been spoken, but as you are aware, the country is right now in deep turmoil. We can only reach out to the new government once things have reached a point where normalcy is restored. We are waiting for the arrival of the Honorable Chief Minister because he has the intention of taking a very immersive review of the entire situation, how it impacts the economy, how it impacts international trade. All of these will be discussed at a meeting where the Chief Minister will preside.